batsman Vaibhav Suryavanshi could soon be in contention for a place in the Indian national cricket team setup after his impressive performance in junior and domestic cricket. Hello and welcome to NewsX. I'm Kashish Dhawan, bringing you the latest from the world of cricket. The Indian side is currently scheduled to play a one-off test and three ODIs against Afghanistan in June, followed by a white ball tour of England in July featuring five T20Is and three ODIs. Now, with these matches likely to be added to the calendar, selectors may be forced to actually rotate the squad and give opportunities to new players. To discuss this further, we are joined by our sports expert Anuj Mishra. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Kashish, for having me. Thank you, Kashish, for having me.
Anuj, actually, let me begin by asking you about the speculation around Vaibhav Suryavanshi's possible India debut. How likely do you think it is happening?
Uh, Frankly speaking, if I tell you, it is for me, it is highly unlikely because there are certain things attached to it. So, for example, if he makes an India debut, he will no more be a uncapped player for Rajasthan. He will might not be able to feature in the under 19 squad. So, for example, I was reading a trivia on ESPN Cricket Info when he was batting ferociously in the under 19 final.
Yeah.
Vaibhav Suryavanshi, due to his age, is eligible to compete in the 2030 Under 19 World Cup also. So
Okay.
keeping that, keeping that in mind, if he makes an India debut, I don't know what are the technicalities, but I feel he will not be able to play the Under 19 World Cup then if he makes an India debut because he've already played for the senior team. So I remembered Ravindra Jadeja is the only player I
Yeah.
guess who has played two Under 19 World Cups in 2006 and 2008. So this thing might stop. First, this thing might stop him from getting an India debut early. Second, India already has a great bench strength, especially in the batting lineup, and we discussed it at length during the India's T20 World Cup. India already has a very great batting lineup. So until unless there is a very, matlab, how can I say, like unimaginable kind of innings that Vaibhav plays. For example, hitting six sixes twice in two matches. Then maybe he may be maybe in contention of the debut for the Indian team, and that too for a T20 side, not ODIs. So we have so much of players. Like if I say right now, Shubman Gill, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul, but not in the team. They will be back when India team again plays a international match. So they will be back. So I don't see Vaibhav Suryavanshi making into the playing 11. So if he is not in the playing 11, I don't see him getting selected for the playing further selecting the 50 top 15 of the Indian players. That is a main reason. But if you consider his skill, he is perfectly eligible to take part in the Indian setup. For example, if he was 22, I would have selected him, or selectors would have selected him. But due to his age, that he may have more years to come, more years to get polished also. And see, he's playing domestic and under 19 also. So it's not like under 19 World Cup happens every 2 years. So it's not only playing under 19 World Cup. He has played under 19 Asia Cup also. He played
Yeah.
under 19 match, under 19 series against Australia also. So now he's like gearing up for the big thing. But I don't think selectors will select Vaibhav for the Indian setup in the senior team.
Definitely, I do agree with that. But again, now the point is the Indian cricket team having so many matches lined up for them. There might act the schedule might actually be packed with ODIs and T20Is. I do agree with you to a point where you tell me that there is no scope for us to bring him in the T20I setup because the team is actually very well lined up. But again, when we talk about the ODI setup, what do you think? Can he fit in that spot over there?
So, like, Vaibhav made his debut in the longer format when he was 12 for Ranji Trophy under at that time, Rakesh Kumar Tiwari was the president of Bihar Cricket Association when he made his debut. So he actually made his debut from a longer format, and then he rose to the occasion in the shortest format. So currently he hasn't played the longer formats right now after getting the all the limelight that he has got. He has not played the longer format. And we have ODI specialists already in place in the name of Shubman Gill,
Yeah.
KL Rahul, and Shreyas Iyer. I
Okay.
am saying it is not, it is very difficult, but I'm not saying it is impossible. So, like you mentioned, that there are many such events happening, many tours are happening. So, there may be parallel teams competing in two different series. If that happens, so there might be a slight chance. There might be a slight chance. But then again, if there is a chance and if he gets picked, then there are many maths that is involved, and
Okay.
everyone will actually look at it. So it's not only Vaibhav playing cricket with senior guys. It's also he's not now he's no more an uncapped player, and BCCI will also look like that they will be sure. I don't know what's the rules are exactly, but maybe he will not be able to play 2028 under 19 World Cup and 2030 under 19 World Cup. So maybe these things will also be kept in mind. So if he's not in the team, it's not like that he's not eligible. It's because he's eligible somewhere else and where he can make a greater impact. He was not the
Definitely.
captain this time. Ayush Matre was the captain. He might captain the under 19 team also. Kashish.
That is definitely true that he is actually getting an opportunity where he can perform really well. But saying that it is not a definite thing, but he might actually get an opportunity when it comes to, yeah, so India might be playing different matches at the same time. He can find his place in those matches, right?
Yes, so there is a possibility. That is what I said. It's not what I'm saying. If I'm saying it, it's not impossible. There is a possibility, and possibilities due to India team playing different matches at different point of time. That happened in 2021 when Shikhar Dhawan was also made a captain of the Indian team. Was one Indian team was in Sri Lanka and other was, I guess, playing some other matches at that time. So Dhawan actually captained Indian team in Sri Lanka.
Yeah,
So we get
exactly.
if they
Talking about the 2026 Asian Games in Japan that are going to take place as well, the India might have to field another side in the tournament. So this can actually bring in opportunities for Vaibhav's debut to Team India.
Yes, this Vaibhav debut in Team India is very easy. He has performed at certain level. Now there is a 2 month IPL window. I guess last time he scored a century
Yeah,
on his debut. He scored I guess two 252 runs he scored in 7 matches. That is a very brave thing to do as an opener when you're not even 14 years old. I mean,
definitely.
you consider someone playing IPL when he's of mature age, like for example 23, 24, 25 years. But at 13 years, he's smashing centuries. So now, if he consistently performs like that in IPL for Rajasthan, doors may open. But I'm always saying doors have been open for him. If he was 22, he might have got selected in the team.
Yeah.
So whenever his selection is on the cards, there will be a certain aspect checking the rules that if he is selected in Indian team, will he be able to play the under 19 World Cup? So these things will go parallelly. He is eligible. He has shown skills. He might
Yeah.
also play what the Asian Games you say that if India wants to send its B team, he might get picked also. But then there will always the rules books will be always on the cards, seeing that if he will be able to play the under 19 to 2028 World Cup or not.
Definitely, we'll be watching whether Vaibhav actually gets an opportunity to make his Team India debut this year or not. It is all going to get decided by BCCI and the Indian selectors. All of them are going to decide whether they want to continue Vaibhav for the under 19 coming ahead, or they want to actually bring him in the squad or in Team B or Team A. That is, of course, going to be their decision. Till then, thank you so much, Anuj, for joining me as an expert on this, for giving your opinion. And thank you so much, viewers, for joining us.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.